Hello, I'm Stephanie Spotswood. I'm Professor Emerita of Radiology from Vanderbilt University Medical Center. I'm going to speak with you about speaking up and being heard. When I was in the second grade, my teacher told my mother that I was doing well in all subjects, but that I rarely spoke up in class. And when I did, my voice was barely audible above a whisper. So, women are often reluctant to speak up in group situations because we fear judgment or perhaps even criticism. Unfortunately, when we do not speak up, our ability to advance to positions of leadership are limited, as well as our ability to influence important events. Our unwillingness to speak up can actually limit our progress. Female medical students and residents are frequently observed to be silent in group settings, and this can be misinterpreted, unfortunately, as a sign that the person is perhaps not interested or bored or uninvested or perhaps, poorly prepared. In a group setting, some response I've learned, or any response, is better than no response at all because it at least establishes that you are interested and actively participating. So we must learn to tolerate our anxiety about speaking up and the possibility that our ideas may be rejected or perhaps even ignored. The reverse is that your idea may actually be popular and valuable in advancing the work of the group. So I'm going to provide you with three potentially useful techniques to handle that anxiety of speaking in group settings. Number one is to prepare in advance. And that is, prior to a group meeting, you might want to familiarize yourself with the agenda and take a moment to jot down what you want to share or thoughts you may have on the subject, and then speak them out loud just to hear your voice. Number two, plan to ask at least one question or contribute at least one idea. You might even want to prepare a response in case someone does not like your idea. Number three, don't wait until the end of the meeting to speak up. This is really important because if you wait, this makes it harder for you to contribute. The longer you wait, the more time you have to contribute to create self-doubt and to become withdrawn. Speaking up early in the meeting, on the other hand, helps to improve your visibility as someone who is truly engaged. So, in conclusion, the more you speak up, the more confident you will become, and the greater the likelihood that you can influence events, gain respect, and ultimately advance into leadership positions. I thank you so much for your time.